a bait caster too. That guy's using the one guy's using a whopper.
Is that bait?
There's no way they're in the tournament. Oh, that's a bass! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, dude. It's a walleye! Giant walleye! On the, what the, holy shit! It's a walleye, what? On a, what? What the hell?
Well, that thing looks so delicious right now. Oh my god, what is that? Hold the other side of the fish.
It's a freaking wall. What? What the? Am I still recording?